What if I told you that the key to your financial freedom lies within your own mind? Intriguing, isn't it? And yet it's a concept many of us overlook every day. Let's delve into this idea, an idea that has the potential to transform your financial situation entirely. Welcome to the realm of the law of assumption. It's a concept that revolves around the belief that our reality is shaped by our thoughts and assumptions. It sounds almost too simple, right? But the power of this law lies in its simplicity. The law of assumption isn't about wishing for money or daydreaming about lavish lifestyles. No, it's about something far more profound. It's about assuming the feeling of being wealthy. Yes, feeling wealthy. Not just in your dreams, but in your everyday life. Picture this. You're not just wishing for wealth, you're living it, feeling it, and experiencing it in your mind day in and day out. But how does this work, you may ask? Well, think about it. When you assume the feeling of being wealthy, you're not just thinking about money, you're thinking about the freedom that comes with it. You're thinking about the opportunities it brings. You're thinking about the comfort it provides. And when you're constantly thinking about these things, your mind starts to believe it. It starts to see it as your reality. And this is where the magic happens. You see, our minds are incredibly powerful. They have the ability to shape our reality. And when you truly believe in something, the universe conspires to make it happen. So, by assuming the feeling of being wealthy, you're actually attracting wealth into your life. You're manifesting it, not by wishful thinking, but by truly believing in it. Now, what if you could harness this power to manifest money into your life? Imagine the possibilities, the opportunities, the freedom. It's all within your reach. All it takes is a shift in perspective. And that's exactly what we'll be exploring and achieving in this video. To manifest money, you first need to understand the law of assumption. This principle is not a complex theory or a mysterious secret. It's a straightforward concept that's as old as thought itself. So, let's break it down. The law of assumption is based on the belief that your assumptions, those beliefs you hold as true without question, those thoughts that you don't even realize you're thinking, shape your reality. It's about recognizing that reality is subjective, and it's crafted meticulously by your own perceptions and beliefs. Think of your mind as an artist and your life as the canvas. The strokes of your thoughts, assumptions, and beliefs paint the landscape of your reality. If you're consistently assuming lack, struggle, and hardship, the masterpiece that is your life will reflect these themes. But what if you could change the artwork? What if you could repaint the canvas with abundance, prosperity, and wealth? That's precisely where the law of assumption comes in. It encourages you to assume a state of wealth, to believe in it so deeply, so unreservedly, that it becomes your reality. It's not about wishful thinking or baseless optimism, it's about conviction. It's about assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled, about living in the end result. It's about knowing, beyond a shadow of a doubt, that you are prosperous, even before the evidence shows up. Because when you assume wealth, when you truly believe in it, your actions, choices, and decisions align with this assumption. You start to behave, think, and feel like someone who is already wealthy. And this, in turn, attracts wealth into your life. The law of assumption is a powerful tool, a key that can unlock the door to abundance. But like any tool, it requires practice, patience, and persistence. It's not a magic wand that will instantly transform your life. But it is a proven principle that can significantly shift your reality when applied consistently. So, are you ready to assume your wealth? Alright, let's dive into how you can use the law of assumption to manifest money. The first step is to define your desire. Now, this isn't just about saying, I want more money. It's about being clear and specific with your intention. Maybe you want a new car, or perhaps you're aiming to buy a house, or maybe you want financial freedom. Your desire should be something concrete, something that feels real and attainable to you. Now, on to the second step. This involves adopting the feeling of the wish fulfilled. It's not enough to just want something, you have to feel as though you already have it. This might sound a little tricky, but it's really about shifting your mindset. Imagine what it would feel like to have that new car, to step into that house you want to buy, or to live without financial stress. Really embody that feeling, let it fill you up, let it become a part of you. The third step is living in the end. This means acting and thinking as if your desire has already been fulfilled. If you're manifesting a new car, for example, you might start researching car insurance, or you could start clearing space in your garage. If you're manifesting a house, maybe you start looking at furniture or planning a housewarming party. If financial freedom is your goal, perhaps you start making plans for what you'll do when you no longer have to worry about money. The key here is to act as if your goal is already a reality. So there you have it. 3 steps to manifesting money with the law of assumption. Define your desire, adopt the feeling of the wish fulfilled, and live in the end. It's a journey, and it might take some time to get there, but remember, the universe is always listening and ready to deliver. Remember, the key is to fully embrace the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. Now let's discuss some practical steps to implementing the law of assumption. The law of assumption is not a mere theory or concept. It's a lifestyle, a mindset shift that requires daily practice. To successfully harness its power, 3 key elements need to be in place: visualization, affirmations, and maintaining a positive mindset. First, we have visualization. This is the process of creating a mental image of what you desire. In this case, it's manifesting money. Picture yourself living the life you want, with the financial abundance you desire. Feel the joy, the satisfaction that comes with it. Let it be so real that it feels like you're living it right now. This is the power of visualization. Next, we have affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, designed to overwrite any negative beliefs or doubts you may have about money. Examples of affirmations could be, "I am financially free," or "Money flows to me easily and abundantly." When you repeat these affirmations consistently, your subconscious mind begins to accept them as your reality. Maintaining a positive mindset is the third element. This is vital because the energy you emit is what you attract. When you maintain a positive mindset, you're sending out positive vibrations to the universe, which in turn attracts positive outcomes to you. Now, it's not uncommon to face doubts and fears during this process. It's human nature to question what we can't see. But remember, doubts and fears only serve to block your manifestation. Whenever they arise, acknowledge them, but do not dwell on them. Instead, redirect your focus back to your visualization and affirmations. To sum up, visualization, affirmations, and a positive mindset are crucial to implementing the law of assumption. Practice them daily, and with time, you'll start to see the manifestation of your financial desires. Keep in mind, your reality is shaped by your assumptions, so choose them wisely. Let's recap what we've learned so far about using the law of assumption to manifest money. We kicked things off with a question of perspective, highlighting that the first step to manifesting money is all about adjusting our mindset. We discovered that our thoughts and beliefs are powerful tools that can shape our reality. And it's not just about thinking positively, but actually assuming the state of wealth and abundance. Next, we delved into understanding the law of assumption. We learned that this principle is grounded in the belief that our external world mirrors our internal state. So, if we assume a state of wealth, our external circumstances will align to reflect that. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's imagined. It responds to the assumptions we hold about ourselves and our lives. Then, we shifted gears to manifesting money with the law of assumption. We learned that the key to manifesting financial abundance is assuming the feeling of already having it. It's about embodying the state of being wealthy, feeling it deep in our bones, and living from that state every single day. We also discussed practical steps to implement the law of assumption. These steps include visualizing your desired financial state, affirming your wealth, and living in the end. It's about fully immersing yourself in the feeling of being wealthy, even before it manifests in your physical reality. Remember, it's not about hoping or wishing for wealth, but assuming it as your current reality. And finally, let's not forget the importance of patience and persistence. Transformation doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort and unwavering belief in the power of assumption. So keep assuming, keep believing, and keep embodying your desired state of wealth. Remember, the power to change your financial situation lies within you. So what are you waiting for? Start assuming your wealth today.